You get an email from your CEO requesting an urgent transfer of funds. There's some problem, and it really is urgent, so you do it straight away to keep your boss happy. Uh-oh, bad news. You've just fallen victim to a business email compromise attack, also known as a BEC. Cybercriminals get into your business's email system and pretend to be people they're not. They leverage high-stress situations, as they know people stop thinking clearly when rushing. Don't think it couldn't happen to you. Small businesses are just as vulnerable as larger ones. These attacks have cost businesses more than $26 billion over the past few years, and Microsoft says they're getting more destructive and harder to detect. How can you protect your business? Educate your employees, use advanced email security, and set up transaction verification procedures. You should also monitor your email traffic and keep all software up to date. We can help protect your business from these attacks and other cybercrime. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.